Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though every time you mention the name Nigeria, the word Nigeria, nothing good ever follows on. So with that, I bring you this: breaking: FIFA bans Samson Siasia for life. So that's the headline: breaking: FIFA bans Samson Siasia for life. So why has FIFA done this? Well, let's dive into it. Apex Footballing Organization FIFA has banned Nigerian football coach and former player Samson Siasia for life for match fixing. FIFA on Friday banned Siasia for life after the body's ethics panel found him guilty of taking bribes in connection with match fixing. The adjudicatory chambers of FIFA's Independent Ethics Committee revealed that an investigation into Siasia's activities originated from a wider investigation involving Wilson Raj Perumal, who has confessed to international match fixing. The probe that began in February found Siasia guilty of having accepted that he would receive bribes in relation to the manipulation of matches in violation of FIFA's Code of Ethics. Siasia was fined 50,000 Swiss francs, that's about $50,000, and banned from all football-related activities for life. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, anytime you hear the name Nigeria, anything that follows on is usually something negative. And again, one of our iconic figures on the world stage, Siasia, a name that is recognized worldwide, has again brought this disgrace to the Nigerian name. But then of course the antecedent is already set in his home country, where all of the officials and all of the governments are just looting en masse. So then what example then have you set to the likes of Siasia to go and perform in the international community? Of course he would do this, but then of course he's not the only one found doing this, because this Wilson Perumal was the guy they were actually investigating, but then Siasia was one of the people that he was using to carry out his activities. So again, another iconic Nigerian name has been brought down in shames. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. What are you making of all this? Samson Siasia, of all people, I am disappointed, I have to say, because these are some of the people that you think at least they will hold firm. He's made all the money that he needs, but then of course it's never enough for the greedy, as Showore often says. So come tell me what you are making of all this in the comment section. But before you come have a chat with me about this in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this soccer icon brought down in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.